Hi there, I'm Steve Saltzgiver, Fleet Hall of Famer and Fleet Consultant at RTA, the Fleet Success Company. Recently, we put together a guide designed to help you choose the right Fleet Management Information System, or FMIS, for your operation. Part of that guide includes an FMIS requirements matrix so you can accurately evaluate your options based on your fleet's specific needs. Today, we're going to go through how to fill out the FMIS requirements matrix to give you the best results. At the top of the matrix, we have some instructions that give you some context to the tool. Start by adding in the name of the first vendor you're considering. This first column is only going to be relevant to some people, so we're going to cover that last. The second column includes a list of pre-populated common requirements for the fleet management system. Depending on your needs, you may need to add or delete items as necessary. Take some time to evaluate what is most important to your fleet success and add features or requirements that you have to have. If you need to go into more detail on specific requirement, we recommend making a specific tab for that requirement. For example, if there are 10 different security features you have to have in your FMIS, you could make a separate tab labeled Security Requirements and add those specific items to that page. This can help keep this more organized and will help keep your main page from being too long. Once you've got the requirements listed, set the priority in the drop-down in the third column. This is already pre-populated with high, medium, and low options. As you get demos and explore different options, indicate in the matrix if the vendor has the feature, if modifications are necessary to make that work for you, or if they are missing the feature. For modifications, this could be anything from an additional charge to have the feature or having a vendor do some custom work to get the feature where you need it. Add any comments you have about the features to remind yourself in the future your thoughts about those features. Was the inventory management feature clunky or did it wow you? Is the time clock feature user-friendly or is it hard to find and going to give your techs a headache? Now let's go back to the first column. This is relevant if you're going to do an RFP and need to track required features to a unique number or code. You'll put the requirement numbers here in the first column. This helps with tracking and future reference by making it easier to refer to the specific requirement during discussions or evaluations. It also helps with the prioritization and the sorting, as you can assign numbers based on priority or logical grouping. Once you have it filled out to your satisfaction, repeat the process with other vendors you're considering. After you gather all of your information, you should have a clear picture as to which MIS is right for your fleet, and you'll be able to make the right decision. If you need more help deciding which software is right for you, or you could use additional guidance for improving other areas of your fleet, reach out to RTA Consulting Team at rtafleet.com consulting. Hope that helps.